The first Vice President is appealing to the United States government to reconsider its decision of withdrawing financial support to South Sudan peace monitoring bodies. Last month, the U.S. withheld financial support to the Vital Peace Monitoring Mechanism, RJMEC, and CTSAM-VM. Washington cited a lack of progress in the peace implementation and lack of political will by the peace parties. Speaking during the extension of the transitional period to 2 years yesterday, Dr. Machar appealed to the U.S. government to continue supporting the peace monitoring bodies. We know the U.S. withdrew her support on CTSAM-VM and RJMEC. All we can do is to appeal to the U.S. again and resume the support. If the U.S. is paying $1 billion on humanitarian, it shouldn't go for nothing, he said. Let's continue working together. The international community, we appeal to you again, continue your support to us. The call by Machar come a month after President Salva Kiir made a similar appeal to Joe Biden administration to support the unity government in its quest for the lasting peace. This week, the ceasefire monitoring body, CTSAM-VM, said it is struggling to continue with its role in the peace process after the U.S. withdrew funding. This is despite an announcement by the Chinese government to fund the revitalized peace agreement, including supporting the peace and ceasefire monitoring bodies. In a statement sent to iRadio, the Chinese embassy in Juba said it will continue to providing funding peace and ceasefire monitoring bodies. The U.S. said in a statement it welcomed the willingness of the Chinese government to support the peace monitoring mechanism.